Oh yeah, what truck did you drive whenever you were driving?
What truck? You mean name brand?
Yeah.
I drove a whole lot of Max when I was with Smith Transfer. I drove Fords when I was with St. Johnsbury. And Glenmore, I had mostly Freightliners, and when I first started, a Volvo.
Well, what year did you start truck driving?
1960.
Jeez. How old were you whenever you started?
I was 20 and a half.
And what year did you end? Like retire?
What year did I retire?
Yeah.
2005.
What was the place that you were driving for called?
Well, which time? I started 1960. I started driving a dump truck for a roofing company. Then I went to a department store in D.C. I drove Fords and Whites there. And then that was called Woodard and Lothrop. Then I went to Smith Transfer. And then it was St. Johnsbury Trucking Company. And then it was Glenmore Trucking Company.
Okay. How many hours a day would you drive?
At that time, we were only allowed 10 hours a day, and then the last couple of years I drove, we were allowed 11 hours a day.
Where all did you travel?
The last 12 years I drove for Glenmore, I drove all over the country. I got to every state except North Dakota.
Jeez. What was your favorite state to drive through?
Wyoming.
What was the favorite truck that you drove? What was your favorite?
Freightliner Classic XL.
Alright. What year did you drive that?
Oh, probably 2002 to 2005. The company wanted me to take a brand new International. I wouldn't do it. I kept driving that old XL. I liked it better than anything.
Okay. Oh man. Wait, how old were you when you retired?
65
Yeah, that's what I thought.
and a half.
How much money did you make when you were driving?
How much what?
Like, what was your average salary whenever you were driving?
Well, when I first started with driving a dump truck for a roofing company, I was getting, I don't know, only half an hour or something like that. And when the last union company I drove for, I was getting 42 cents a mile.
Jeez.
And then when that company went out of business, I had to go to Glenmore and start non-union. That started out at 18 cents a mile again.
Jeez. Well, that was all I had to ask.
What's that?
That was all I had to ask.
Okay.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Yep.
Is